Hey, what's up? Jixer here. Got to the point where you know you want to use NordVPN, but need help setting it up on your Windows 10 or 11? In this video, I'll explain all the basics and some of the more complex features, which are quite useful in my opinion. Let's go. Your global IP address is basically a unique number assigned to your device by your internet service provider. It's like your device's public address on the internet, allowing websites and online services to know your location approximately. A virtual private network, or VPN, creates a secure encrypted connection between your computer and a VPN server. It masks your real IP address with the IP address of the VPN server, making it appear as if you're browsing from a different location. This enhances your privacy and security online. If you're interested in a premium account, I've included a link below with the best discount you can currently find online for the software. Now, let's start setting up NordVPN on your Windows PC. Simply visit the official website and download the Windows app. Run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. Once you've installed NordVPN, open the app and tap on Login to sign in with your account info. But before you connect to VPN, go to a website like whatismyip.com or Google What is my IP to see your current public IP address and location. Then go back to NordVPN to connect to a server. Since the app interface is straightforward, you can either click the Quick Connect button to automatically connect to the fastest available server, or you can choose a specific server location from the map or the server list. If you choose a server in a different country, your apparent IP address will change to one from that country. After connecting to NordVPN, revisit the same IP address lookup website. Your IP address should now be different, reflecting the server location you connected to. This confirms that the VPN is working correctly. Try accessing a website or service that's restricted to certain locations. For example, if you're connected to a server in the UK, try accessing BBC iPlayer, which is usually only available there. And in my case, it works fine. NordVPN's Windows app has some handy features too. Let me give you a quick rundown. The first one is the CyberSec. This feature blocks intrusive ads and protects you from malware and phishing attacks. It's usually enabled by default, but you can check the settings to make sure. Next up is Threat Protection. This feature adds an extra layer of security by scanning downloaded files for malware. Then here's MeshNet. This feature allows you to create a secure, encrypted network between your devices, even if they're not on the same network. It's great for sharing files or playing games securely. And if your VPN connection drops unexpectedly, the kill switch will automatically block your internet connection to prevent your real IP address from being exposed. Split tunneling also is a great feature that lets you choose which apps use the VPN connection and which ones connect directly to the internet. It's super useful for tasks that need a local IP address. NordVPN also offers dedicated IP addresses as an optional extra. This gives you a unique IP address that is only used by you. Lastly, the browser extensions for Chrome and Firefox. These extensions provide a quick and easy way to protect your browser traffic. However, it's important to remember that the browser extension only protects your browser activity, while the NordVPN desktop app protects all your internet traffic. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.